Hi everyone, Succulents Box here again, and today we will share with you some tips on how to maintain and properly care for your succulent arrangements to keep them happy and healthy for many months to come. Watering succulent arrangements is no different from individually potted ones. You need to water directly into the soil until the water runs out of the drainage holes. In case it's too difficult for you to water your succulent arrangement without wetting their leaves, then we suggest using the bottom watering method. To apply this method, you simply place your succulents in a tray or a large basin filled with water for about 5 to 15 minutes or just until the top portion of the soil has become moist. Then allow them to drain out any excess water from the drainage hole to prevent them from sitting in wet for too long. Now, if you only need to water 1 or 2 succulents from your arrangement, then you can use a spray bottle. You just have to make sure to set your spray bottle on stream setting, so you won't accidentally wet their leaves, and at the same time be able to aim at the soil of the succulent that only needed to be watered. Additionally, before watering your succulent, you also need to make sure that the top 1.5 inches of the soil is dry. In terms of light, most succulents need at least 6 to 8 hours of bright indirect sunlight a day to prevent them from stretching out and keeping their vibrancy for about 4 hours of direct morning light. However, if you live in a zone where it doesn't get much sunlight, then we recommend using a grow light. Apart from making sure that your succulent gets sufficient light, it is also necessary to maintain a warm temperature surrounding your succulents. They would like about 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit during summer and 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter. Weeds may also grow over time in your succulent arrangements, which can be avoided by putting some rocks, pebbles, gravel, or sand on the topsoil. But in case you don't have any of these items available, you can simply pull them out once you see them grow from the soil of your succulents. Those succulents are slow growers. They will eventually start to look crowded and untidy, and this is when rearrangement comes into play. Taking the time to repot properly ensures the continued health of the plant and allows you to retain the aesthetic of the original arrangement. You first need to scoop the succulent out of the old pot using the tip of a trowel or large spoon. Lift the entire root system. Be careful and make sure not to cut or break the smaller roots. And now you can arrange the succulents at your will in the new pot. The plants should be spaced 2 to 3 inches apart in all directions. Don't forget to wait 1 week before watering the newly potted succulent so the roots can adapt to the new soil. Sprinkle the soil surface lightly with water to moisten it. Deep watering should be avoided since it can result in root rot. And that's it in today's video. Let us know what you think in the comment section below, and we'll see you again next time. Happy gardening!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.